Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119, also hardbackelectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. So we have a TL922 here that I worked on over 3 years ago. Local guy said he can't get it to tune up, so I'm going to crack it open and see what's going on. So I'll get the covers off and we'll go from there. See you soon. So I didn't show it, but until I saw the bottom, I wasn't going to say anything till the end, but it's missing hardware for the top covers, the internal covers, and it's mismatched. And it's missing the rear feet. Here. There's no screw here. It just has a screw in there, but that's not the... It might be the screw for the foot, but it's missing the foot. So it has the feet in front. So I'm going to pull the cover off. I'm getting the feeling like someone else has been in here since it went back to him. So, okay, I'll see you guys soon. So here's the bottom. You can see where I added the strap for the low inductance mod. I had grounded the grid for each tube. Someone else had put a band switch in. This was in here when I worked on it last. The video is on YouTube. I think it's, I forget what year it was. I think it was 2023 maybe? Yeah, so almost 3 years. It was November. So I was able to look back at that and compare what I'm seeing now. So someone probably popped the cover off to try to fix it, but so I cleaned the rotary switch, the band switch with deox gold, the input rotary switch with deox gold just now, and also the tier relay. I had replaced the relay in this also back then. So I checked the SO239s, they're okay. So I'm going to put the cover back on, and I'm gonna. So I forgot to mention, it's also missing the little aluminum spacers, which should be under the feet. So someone was definitely in here. I'll have to call the customer to see if he has them at his house. But okay, so you can't, with an amp like this, the air is drawn in through the bottom and also the side, so this can't be blocked. So it's good that it has the feet in the front, but you cannot block this amp or the SB 220. You can't block the bottom. I mean, I just want to be able to allow that air to get in. Okay, so I will see you guys soon. Okay, so I'm back with the completed Kenwood TL922A. Gonna put it on the higher voltage setting. Customer wanted to see it working on 20 meters. There are the settings. Bird 43 with a Bird 43 PEP kit, the stock one, going into a Bird attenuator load, 2500 watt slug. Radio set to about 70 watts or so. Yeah. Audio, hello, roughly 1200 right there, 1200. Audio, hello. Audio, hello. RF. Audio, tit. Good current. Audio, hello. Audio, tit. Voltage. Never switch that under load. Audio, hello. See, now less output with less voltage on the plate. So it's working as it should. So I'm not going to bother taking the covers off. I'm just going to explain what I did. So the standby lamp was out. 1 meter lamp was out. Replaced all the meter lamps. Replaced both these lamps, all new LEDs. Customer had a problem with his tubes. So put my test tubes in here. And there was a wire that was close to the output relay that had arced over. So I don't know if that happened during transport between him and me, or when he went in there, he admitted he went in there and was looking at it. So he says he has the feed at home. So that's all taken care of. I cleaned the rotary switches again. This doesn't have the stock fan. He doesn't mind the noise, so added the 2 screws that were not installed, took care of that, and Now it's all set. So, if you need an amp repaired, feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203-892-4119. That's 203-892-4119. Websites are amprepairguy.com and also harbackelectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Have a great day. 73. I wanted to add something. This amp only use it 160 through 10. So 160, 80, 40, 20, 15, and 10. I don't recommend using it on the work bands. I told him that. I noticed that he or someone else had marked it. So, yeah. So, that's about it. Yeah. Have a great day. 73.